July 23rd, 2025. The handle works, everything works. Off, on, dust recovery. The back belt is what runs the dust recovery. The front belt runs the drum. The drum has no rips or tears in it. Boom, power off. You need to have, this is for professional floor people only. A do-it-yourselfer, I do not recommend. You got to have this wire, that plug. It's set up for 220 only now, but it could be wired to run 110 or 220. This is what I started my company with. I used this machine for 15 years until everybody switched over to belt machines. What's undesirable about a machine like this is it's a little bit time consuming to put the paper on. To put the paper on, you have to put your paper in there. You got to bend it, put it on there. It takes a little bit of skill. 2 wrenches, half inch wrench. You got to cut a little slip of paper, put it in there, put that on, tighten it up. But it will get the job done. After you go through all your different grits, you got to use a screen and buff out any of your chatter marks. But it's a great beginning machine. Somebody just getting into the business, this will get you jobs done. You can make some money and then buy yourself a belt machine, but this will get you a lot of jobs done. You could do this for really rough work. If you want to take stuff down and you don't want to put your belt machine at risk, you could use this machine. It's a monster. This right here motor got 5 times the amount of copper in it than any of the current motors have. It's a good machine. It's priced to sell, and that's it. All right. Ciao.